Good morning, student. Dear student, in today's class we will solve the exercise 13a, which is related to the time and work. In our previous class we had discussed about how we solve the question of time and work. To solve the time and work, first we find the work done in the unit time. First we find the work done in the unit time. That means unit time means that is 1 day, 1 hour, 1 minute. That is work done in the unit time. Okay, so now let us start the question number exercise 13a from the question number 1. In the question number 1, there are given that Rajan can do a piece of work in 24 days. Here in the question number 1 given Rajan can do the work in 24 days. Next, Amit can do it. Amit can do the work in 30 days. Okay? In how many days can they complete it if they work together? In how many days can they complete it if they work together? So first we find the 1 day work, the work done in the 1 day. So here is given that Rajan can do the work in 24 days. So first we find the work done by Rajan in 1 day, that is 1 upon 24. A piece of work he can do. So that is the 24 equal parts of the work. He will do the one part in 1 day. That is the 1 upon 24th part of the total work. Again, work done by Amit in 1 day, that is 1 upon 30. If they work together, if they work together, then work done by both, that is Rajan and Amit, in 1 day, that is 1 upon 24 plus 1 upon 30. The LCM will be 120. 6 plus 4, that is 10 upon 120, it is 1 upon 12. Now, 1 upon 12 work done by in 1 day. So, 1 work done by together, that is 1 upon 12, that is 12 days. So, when they will work together, they can finish the work in 12 days. Okay, you note it. So to find out the solution of this question, first we find the 1 day's work and then we add them. That is the 1 day's work of the both. Again, we convert then the total work time taken to complete the work. The second question, that is same, we will do that as well as in the third. A and B working together can finish a piece of work in 6 days. While A alone can do it the 9 days, how much time will B alone take to finish it? Okay. Now we will solve the question number third. That is 3. The question number 3. It is given that A and B working together can finish a piece of work in 6 days. A and B can finish the work in 6 days. Then A and B 1 day's work or you can say the work done by A and B in 1 day. That is 1 upon 6. Second, B can do. Either A can do or B can do. While A alone can do. A can do the work in A can do the work in 9 days. So work done by A in 1 day, that is 1 upon 9. So what will the work done by A and B both 1 upon 6 and work done by alone A, that is 1 upon 9. Then we will subtract the work done by B, work done by B in 1 day, that is 1 upon 6 minus 1 upon 9. It is 18. 3 minus 2, that is 1 upon 15. Now 1 upon 18 work done by B in 1 day. So 1 work done by B, that is in 18 days. Okay, this is your answer. You note it. Okay. Question number 4, which is also same as the question number 3. Now we will solve the question number 5. In the question number 5, A, B, C can do a piece of work in 10 days. 10 days. Now question number 5. A can do the work that is 10 days. B can do the work that is, it is given that 12 days, and C can do the work that is 15 days. In 15 days, how many will they take finish to it work together? It is 15 days. So 1 day's work done by A in 1 day, that is 1 upon 10. Next, work done by B in 1 day, that is 1 upon 12. And work done by C in 1 day, that is 1 upon 15. Then work done by A, B and C in 1 day, that is 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 12 plus 1 upon 15, that is 16. 6 plus 5 plus 4, 1 upon 4. So now 1 upon 4 work finish in 1 day. So 1 work, that is 1 upon 4, that is 4 days. It is 4 days. So they will complete the work in 4 days. Okay. 6. A can do a piece of work in 24 days while B can do the piece of work in 16 days. If A, B, C. Now the 6. A can do work in 24 days. That is in 24 days. B can do in, that is hours, not days, 16 hours. A, B and C. C together can finish the work in 8 hours. Right? So here A can finish the work in 24 hours, B can finish the work in 16 hours, and A, B, C together can finish the work in 8 hours. Now 1 hour's work by A, that is 1 upon 24. 1 hour's work by B, that is 1 upon 16. and 1 hour's work by A, B and C, that is 1 upon 8. The 1 hours are of 3, that is A, B and C together, that is 1 upon 8 what that can do, and A and B can do 1 upon 24 and 1 upon 16. So now to find out the 1 hour work of the C, we will subtract. Now 1 hour work by C, that is 1 upon 8 minus 1 upon 24 minus 1 upon 16, it is 24, 3 minus 1, 48, it is 6, 2 plus 3, that is 6 minus 5 upon 48, that is 1 upon 48. So time to be complete the work that is 48 hours. Okay, you note it. The question number 7 is as well as same as the question number 6. Now we solve the question number 8. Okay, now we solve the question number 8. The same is as well as same. The question number 6. In the question number 7, there are given as 8. A and B can finish the work in 16 days and 12 days. A started the work at it for 2 days. He was then joined by B. Now it. A can do the work in how many days? That is 16 days. In 16 days. Then work done by A in 1 day, that is 1 upon 16. Next, B can do the work in 12 days. Now, work done by B in 1 day, that is 1 upon 12. That's clear? Now, what is given in the question? A started the work and work at it for 2 days. A start the work. Now work done by A in 2 days. He can do 1 upon 16 part in 1 day. How much he do? That is 2 into 1 upon 16. That is 1 upon 8. Now we will join that. Now we join that. We join the A and they work together. Now what is the remaining work? Remaining work after 2 days. The part of work which is done by A and B together, that is the remaining work. 1 upon 8 work A will do alone. So now the remaining work, that is 1 minus 1 upon 8. It is 7 upon 8. That is the remaining. Now the work done by A and B together in 1 day, that is 1 upon 16 plus 1 upon 12. That is 7 upon 48 work. Now 7 upon 48 work can do A and B in 1 day. So one work, that is 48 upon 7. So 7 upon 8 work. That is 48 upon 7 into 7 upon 8. 8 6 are 7, that is 60. So they will finish the work. Now what is the question? Find the total time to taken the finish the work. 2 days total time. What is the total time? That is the 6 days which come to complete the 7 upon 8 work. And 2 days, that is 1 upon 8. Now total time, what is the total time? The total time will be 2 plus 6. It is 8 days. 8 days. So they will take the time to complete the work, that is 8 days. Okay, you note it. We will solve the question number 9. The question number 9, that is also as same. A can do a piece of work 14 days, B can do it in 21 days. They begin together and work in it for 6 days. Now 9. Now 9. Time taken by A to finish the work, that is 14 days. Now next, time taken by B to finish the work, that is 21 days. Now, so work done by A in 1 day, that is 1 upon 14, and work done by B in 1 day, 1 upon 21. Now the work done by A plus B in 1 day, that is 1 upon 14 plus 1 upon 21, upon 42. Now then the question is given that they begin together and work at it for 6 days. Now work done by A plus B in 6 days. He will do the 1 day work 5.42 in the 6 days, 6 into 5.42, that is 5.7. Right? After the 6 days, I fell ill and B had completed the remaining work alone. Now we will find the remaining how many days was the work complete. Now remaining work, this work done by A and B together in the 6th day. Now the remaining work, what will, that is 1 minus 5 upon 7, that is 2 upon 7. It is 2 upon 7. Now this 2 upon 7 work is completed by B. So how many days the B will take to complete the 2 upon 7? 1 upon 20 work, complete by B in 1 day. So one work, that is 21 days. So 2 upon 7 work, that is 2 upon 7 into 21, that is 6 days. The remaining work complete in the 6th day. Now total time to complete the work, that is 6 plus 6, it is 12 days. Okay, you note it. Okay student, in today's class we have solved some question from the exercise 13A. There are some more questions in the exercise 13A. We will try that. If you have any problem, we will solve that question in your next class. Okay, thank you, good day.